Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to validate SMS phone numbers in GoHighLevel. Before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial with our link down below in the description. So let's get started. For this, you will need a GoHighLevel account, which is already already paid, right? So obviously you want to go to your sub account first. Now from your sub account, we don't have the phone number set up here, so you will need to go to your business information. Now you'll need to switch to your location account level and go to your settings and business information and then go to general. Here, as you can see under the general, you will have here validate phone numbers when contact is created. So here you can validate phone numbers. If you go to the agency settings and Twilio, a new column called SMS validation will pop up, right? And here you can also go and validate that phone number. So that's pretty much how you can validate it. You can also set up a workflow trigger for Twilio validation error to set up trigger action accordingly. You can do that. However, in most cases, that will not be, that will not be the case. You will just go here and validate the phone number when the contact is created. So that's pretty much how you can enable SMS and phone number validation. Again, as you can see, validation is only performed when an SMS is queued before sending, not during contact import creation. So if the number is identified as a landline number, we will not send even the first message to the carriers, as you can see. But that's pretty much what you want to do. Number validation offers or refers to the process of verifying the authenticity of a phone number, specifically in the context of an SMS. So that's basically what it is. Again, if you have any more questions, you can comment down below, or you can get a 30-day free trial with a link down below in the description. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.